Hello friends, welcome to our Think Smart YouTube channel. In this video, let us learn about introduction to computers and computer systems. Let us learn everything in a simple way. What do you mean? What do you know about computer? See how it was made up of. By using some electronic components such as we use motherboard, screen, such electronic components to build the computers, right? And to operate the computer we need some electric energy so that we can charge the computer and we can use. So here comes the first point about the computer, which is a computer is described as an electronic device which is made up of electronic components and uses electric energy to operate. Now what is the work of the computer? What does the computer do? It receives the input data which we give to the computer, and whether it stores or if we give an instructions to that, it process according to the user instructions, and it provides the output in which format we need it. Then we can discuss its workflow as this. A computer receives input, stores and processes the input as per user instructions and provides output in a desired format. Let us see this in a graphical manner, that is input, process, output. It accepts the input and it stores the input, or otherwise it processes the input by as per the instructions provided by the user, and it processes the data and gives the output. Okay, this is the workflow of a computer and the computer system. Now let us see the computer components in a big picture. It is not the basic components of the computer, but in a big picture the computer has three main components such as hardware, software and people. What do you mean by hardware? Hardware is the equipment associated with a computer system such as motherboard, screen. These hardware components can be seen and can be touched. Okay. Next, what is the software? We have hardwares. What does the hardware do without any instructions given by the user? So here the software is used. Software is a set of instructions that tells the hardware what to do. That is called the software. How is the people come into the main components of a computer in big picture? However, we have hardware and software. Without people, who can be used the computer? See, people is the most important component in the computer system. Who uses the power of computer, from even a business person to an artist and a household keeper. They use the computer as a tool. Okay. So in big picture, these are the three main components. Now let us see the block diagram of the computer and computer system. The block diagram of computer consists of input unit, output unit, control unit, arithmetic logical unit and memory unit. This whole combination is called as CPU, which is central processing unit, which is also known as the brain of the computer, because the input given data is wholly processed in the CPU and given to the output unit. Let us discuss the basic parts of computer in a brief way. See, coming to the input unit, input unit is the unit which accepts the input given by the user. Okay. To accept the input, we use some input devices like mouse, keyboard, mic, camera, etc. Okay. And it takes the input, and coming to the output unit, it takes the output. The input taken by the input unit is processed through the CPU and given to the output unit. Using the output devices like monitor, printer, the output can be seen. Here, coming to the control unit, it is the unit where all the parts of the computer interact with. And see, input అనేది యాక్సెప్ట్ చేసిన తర్వాత ఒకవేళ స్టోర్ చేయాలి అని అంటే మెమొరీ యూనిట్లో స్టోర్ అయిపోతుంది. ఇన్పుట్ అనేది మనం ఏమైనా ఎక్స్టర్నల్గా సెట్ ఆఫ్ ఇన్స్ట్రక్షన్స్ ఇస్తే ఇన్పుట్ అనేది ప్రాసెస్ అవ్వాలి. ఇక్కడ ప్రాసెస్ అయ్యి it gives the desired output to the output unit. Here is the whole description about the parts. And in memory it consists of primary and secondary memory. And CPU is that whole three parts is called CPU. It is the central processing unit. It is the brain of computer system that provides computational and decision making. Let us have the summary of the session, how the computer is made up of, and what is the workflow of the computer, and in big picture what are the components of the computer: hardware, software, people, and block diagram of the computer, and explaining the basic parts of the computer and computer systems. Thank you for watching the video. Hope it's useful to you in some way. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.